Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Dyson V11 Torque Drive Plus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner Renewed Premium, a high-performance cordless vacuum that combines power, versatility, and intelligent features, all in a lightweight design. If you're considering upgrading your cleaning setup, make sure to check the link in the description for the best price. Starting with design, the V11 Torque Drive Plus is sleek, cordless, and easy to maneuver. It's lightweight enough for carrying between floors, yet robust enough to handle carpets, hard floors, and even tricky corners. The renewed premium model means you're getting a certified refurbished device with the same performance as a new one, but at a better value. Performance is impressive. The V11 delivers strong suction across 3 power modes, automatically adjusting to different surfaces to optimize cleaning and battery life. With advanced filtration, it captures allergens and fine dust, making it ideal for pet owners and households with allergy concerns. Battery life is solid, giving up to 60 minutes depending on the mode. That's more than enough to clean most homes on a single charge, and the quick-release battery design makes it easy to swap or charge. The Torque Drive cleaner head adjusts for carpets and hard floors, ensuring deep cleaning and consistent performance across all surfaces. The vacuum is also highly versatile. It converts to a handheld vacuum in seconds, allowing you to clean furniture, stairs, and even car interiors with ease. It comes with multiple attachments including a crevice tool, combination tool, and mini motorized head for pet hair or upholstery. Who is this vacuum for? If you want a powerful, all-in-one cordless vacuum for your home, especially if you have pets or mixed flooring, the V11 Torque Drive Plus is an excellent choice. If you mostly need a small handheld vacuum, this might be overkill, but for full home cleaning, it delivers consistent, reliable results. Overall, the Dyson V11 Torque Drive Plus combines strong suction, smart features, and versatile cleaning options in a cordless design. The renewed premium option makes it even more accessible without compromising quality. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments, would you use it for your whole home, or mainly for targeted cleaning, and check the link in the description for the latest deals. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more honest reviews.